Hello, everyone. Welcome to the coronavirus update. Today's big news is that Boris Johnson, he's the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, he's tested positive for coronavirus, and he had really mild symptoms. But then he got himself tested, and now he has been tested positive. He got a test done, and right now he just released a video just very few moments ago saying that he has indeed tested for coronavirus, tested positive for coronavirus. He's the second most influential person to have tested positive for coronavirus in the UK. It was previously Prince Charles, and obviously now they've all been given the care that they need, and people are self-isolating. So that's what the PM of UK has done. He's self-isolating, and he sort of congratulated everybody at the NHS who's worked really hard and who's supporting the all the supportive efforts that are going on in the state to stop the pandemic of coronavirus, that is the novel coronavirus 19. It was really shocking, obviously, but I guess it sort of tells you that a virus doesn't care what religion you have, what country you belong to, what position you are in the world. If it has to come to you, it will come to you. Now, this will have a probably demoralizing effect on the UK public, but then again, at the same time, the video message, if you've seen Boris's video message, was quite heartening as well. Right now, the US has the most number of coronavirus cases right now with 85,500 positive cases. It has overtaken China. Now, China only had 81,782 cases, and Italy had 80,859 cases. The US was pretty late on getting all the cases and getting all the data done because it was still not testing as much. But now with the aggressive testing, the number of cases has also gone up. So right now the cases stand at 500,049,305. That's 549,305. It's in 6 digits right now. And WHO, if you were following them on Twitter, if you're following their feed, and if you're following whatever they're saying, the World Health Organization, they did a small series of tweets yesterday because the DG was online, and he was talking about what really needs to be done. So basically, it's isolation. The disease needs to be isolated. It should not spread, because the further it spreads, obviously, the more damage it will cause. Now, this is a battle the world is fighting together. So the G20 Extraordinary Virtual Summit was held, in which leaders of the G20 nations participated. And after the meeting, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and the Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, has tweeted to say that he had a word with the Indian PM Narendra Modi, and the two discussed bilateral ties and the efforts to tackle the COVID situation that has happened. And right now in Dubai, as you know, the government is carrying out a national sterilization program for the next 2 days, and people have been requested to stay indoors. However, Dubai's higher committee has also launched a website where people can request, and we just did a post about that. So you can see all the details there, that if you have to go out during those times, then what do you need to do? You basically need to register. You need to go on that site. You need to register that this is my reason. That's why I need to go out, with your Emirates ID and your number plate and your phone number and everything. And that's how you can move. That's how the system is. I think we've done a very detailed post on that, so you can check that out. The UAE also used drones. So I don't know if you've seen those pictures of drones around the city, which are going and disinfecting the entire city, and across the Emirates this is happening, the disinfection. So you can check that out. A sweet piece of news has come in from Kerala, India. A group of girls was trying to return home. They were stuck at Kerala Karnataka border, so they didn't know what to do, and they somehow managed to contact the Chief Minister of Kerala at 1:30 a.m. and he not only answered their call but also made arrangements to rescue them. And it's a really sweet story. Kerala has also opened 47 community kitchens. Now that's amazing, and that's how governments should come down to the average person's level and understand their issues and sort of solve their issues primarily at this point in time. In disturbing news from India, however, we have the plight of the migrant workers who have been majorly affected by the lockdown. So there were these different workers who have come in from various areas, and you can see some of their videos. I saw 2 or 3 videos earlier also of really this young boy who was really crying, and a lot of media has covered that as well. So they had to really walk hundreds of kilometers to a different state because that is where they had come to find work and to find jobs. New cases are being reported from Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Punjab. The danger is still very much there. So the total number of cases in India right now is 724, and 64 of those have recovered. A video of a young man whose father is stuck at Dubai airport for the last couple of days has gone viral, and the young man, Sharan Nair, has put out an urgent plea to the government of UAE and as well as India to help his father and some other passengers who haven't been able to fly back to India because of the flight suspension. Hopefully this will reach the right authorities and they will be fine. If you were watching You on Netflix, there was a person there. There's an actor there called Mark Bloom who was recently known for his other films like Desperately Seeking Susan and Crocodile Dundee. He's died. He succumbed to coronavirus at the age of 69, and a 16-year-old girl perished in France. She is the youngest coronavirus victim so far. France has been locked down since March 17th, and they want to show, they want to contain the spread of the epidemic. In Pakistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, that's the province, it extended public holidays until April 5th. There's a ban on gatherings until April 30th. A UK doctor from Pakistani origin has died. His name was Dr. Habib Zaidi. He was 76. It's a suspected case of coronavirus, and if the results confirmed, which we don't have information right now, he would be the first doctor in the UK to die after contracting the coronavirus. So that was all from us today right now, and thank you so much for joining in. Please stay tuned for updates daily on Masala, and we'll bring to you whatever's happening in Dubai, India, Pakistan, UAE, beyond. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining in once again.